Okay, good morning friends.
Good morning, sir.
I am Ruby Rabbit. I am friend of your Sir Venkatesh sir friend. I am Ruby. I am
Ruby.
Ruby. Can you identify me? Can you recognize me?
No.
It is
Ruby.
Ruby Rabbit. So Ruby is talking with you now. Okay? Not Venkatesh sir. Okay? So friends, I flew along with your Venkatesh sir from Hyderabad to Udaipur. Hyderabad to Udaipur on flight. I saw many things. In Udaipur. You know Udaipur speciality? It is Udaipur is land of city of lakes. It is city of lakes. It is located among the Aravalli mountains. So it was amazing experience. So I saw many things. I learned many things along with your Venkatesh sir. So I want to share some things now in this meeting. Are you ready to know? Ready?
Ready, sir.
Okay. I and Venkatesh sir learned how to use puppetry. Puppetry means I am also a puppet. I am glove puppet. I am made with socks. Socks and some cloths. So in puppetry, several types of puppetry we have. Rod puppet, glove puppet, finger puppet, shadow puppet, string puppets. So I am glove puppet. Glove puppet. So we learned many things in 15 days training. So many experts came to the training and expert all the things, how to prepare puppets, how to use puppets in our classroom transaction, how to say storytelling, drama, music, dance, how to write script. So all the things, many things we learned. So it is not just about puppetry. It is a personality development course. So we learned there, if you develop children as all-round development, teacher also should be as all-round development. So for that purpose we use puppetry in our classroom to say the stories, to say the subjects in funny way. So and also by using these puppets